Well, August 1st. Um, I'm all suited up, and there's a big black cloud up above me. It might rain. Uh, Checked the weather. It didn't say it was going to rain. Not going inside now. So I've been a little neglectful here. We had a lot of rain a couple of times that like flooded everything back here, so it's kind of hard to get back here to look at the bees. Um, and then it's also been just ridiculously hot. We're in like a heat advisory. It doesn't seem as bad right now because there's clouds out and there's a nice breeze, probably because it's about to rain. But anyway, I brought 2 bottles of Gatorade with me, and I'm gonna get her done here. I need to swap out the green frames. I need to check the honey supers. That's about all I'm gonna do because I really um, don't know how much of this heat I can take. Anyway, I'm starting at Hive 5, which has been absolutely packed. Like, they're all out on the outside of the hive here at night. I don't know if it's just crowded in here or what, but I don't know if you can see there's like a big puddle behind the hive. I pull this green frame out. Make sure the queen's not on it. Oh boy. See, they're gonna make me do more work here. There's big fat queen cells on here. One of them looks like it's hatched. What happens when you neglect to check your hives? Another queen cell. I guess I don't need to smush these because I'm taking this out. Well, see, now I feel like I should check for queen cells. See, girls, this is what I did not want to be doing. Just doing full inspections today. It's hot. But you're gonna make me. You've got queen cells everywhere. Yeah, this hive is just absolutely packed. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if they were trying to swarm. There's my queen. No sun out right now, so I can't see real well. And I didn't really come prepared with my magnifying glass because I thought that I was going to be quick. See, we've got swarm cells here. Nope, nope, and nope. You realizing that the camera can't see that. Maybe you can. They're hanging down off the bottom like that. They're swarm cells. So I gotta carefully check the rest of this hive for more because the queen is here. This is a very full hive though. Um, Girls, I don't know what to tell you. We're not doing double deeps again. Your effort into the honey supers. Oh, this was one of my splits, so it's nice to see it so strong. Okay. Yes, I know. There's a rain cloud. I'm messing with your swarm cells. Lots of reasons to be grumpy. Okay, Hive 2. It's also a little more complicated because I added this split up here. Yeah, this hive's a little ridiculous. Just trying to figure out my game plan here. Okay. Palm trees hanging down over my head again. I have to come out here with the trimmers. Okay. Okay, I gotta take this out. Yep, queen cells here too. They don't have a queen, so it's normal for them to be building queen cells. I'll give them some more eggs and larvae again from the bottom box. I mean, as far as I know, they don't have a queen. You never know. Things go around here. Okay, so if I'm finding capped brood, I'm taking it out because I'm going to replace it with eggs and larvae. Yeah, see all those queen cells there? Now this top box, they're trying to make a queen because they think they're queenless. Because the queen is in the bottom box below the honey supers. So, anyway, now if I see some eggs or larvae, that would mean we have a queen, but I don't think that's going to happen. No. Now, the hope for this split is that they're going to be really getting busy in those honey supers because it's basically like two hives working the honey supers. This is all honey and nectar over here. So I want to make sure. Yeah. Okay, so um, who knows? Maybe we'll see some capped honey in here. That's what we're going for. Hmm, a little better. Getting there. Yeah. See, these are more capped than they were. Yep. More filled in than they were too. So that's good. Ones on the end aren't, but okay. So we're making progress. I didn't realize I had two of the new sets of these on here. Yeah, this box is not as full. Like, hopefully in a couple weeks I'll pull that one, but leave this one for them. Okay, well, I guess since everyone seems to be into making queen cells, maybe I should check down here for queen cells too. I had a quick drink break. See if these can go a little faster. The rest of these hives only have one super on them. All right. Cloud seems to be going around us, which is unusual. Usually every rain cloud makes a pit stop over our house. Who knows? I guess I'm checking everybody for swarm cells because it must be that time of year for them or something. Check these honey super. Um, yeah, looks about how it was looking. More filled in though. Yeah, I just don't know if they're gonna get them capped over because I feel like the nectar flow is ending. I'm not in the shade anymore. I don't really like it. Queen is on the green frame. I'm going to I think she went in there. Not sure. I think she would fly away. Hopefully I'll see her as I'm going through here. It's a lot hotter in the sun. Oh, there she is right there. Okay. Well, what I'd like to do is just make sure we don't have any queen cells. Seems like this queen is on the green frame almost every time I'm out here. First one I pull out, and it frequently has her on it. She's doing a good job. This is a full frame, full box of brood here. All these frames are full of brood, capped over brood. Yeah, these hives are all very, very full. Okay, hive 4. These hives are a little bit less crazy than the other ones, which, isn't necessarily a good thing. They're not very busy. This one especially. But we'll see what we got. Yeah, they're just not bringing much in here. Still gonna check for queen cells based on what I saw in the other hives. Oh. Okay. Oh, nice breeze. That's a queen with no dot, and she looks kind of stubby. I wonder if that's what a everyone's kind of ignoring her too. I wonder if that's what a virgin queen looks like, an unmated queen. There's my queen with the dot. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna just put her in a cage for a second. I lost the other one. They're both on the same frame. It's really strange. Lots of larvae here. Put her there for a second. Let me go back. This I'm gonna. Man, I definitely saw another queen. Alright, so we got our blue queen. I'm gonna keep looking. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of queen cells. Hmm. This is where things are going to take longer than I want them to, because this is going to bug me. I'm going to find her. Nope, she would have made it all the way over here. She's probably back at the beginning. Nope, that's going to bug me. I'm going to go back through. No, I'm hot. Oh, there she is. Okay, now what to do? We don't need two queens in here. I see all kinds of larvae. I don't think this queen is mated because she's a little stubbier than the other one. So, part of me kind of wants to toss her in the top box of Hive 2 and see what happens. Probably they'll just kill her, but I don't really want her in here, so. Oh, I mean, this hive seems like it's okay. Although, actually, well, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't want to let them make their own queen. Well, that was a surprise. Of course, the blue queen took a little while to get going with laying in here. Remember, at first I thought they didn't have a queen, even after I put her in here. Well, I don't know. Yep, I'm just gonna go put her in the top of Hive 2 and see what they do. Maybe we'll see her next time, maybe we won't. Maybe I should mark her. pen. Okay, she's got a dot, and I'm sure it's difficult to see through here, but she's really kind of more stubby than a queen usually is, which makes me wonder if she's a virgin queen, unmated. What are you doing there, queen? Well, that's not really how to introduce a queen. I basically just threw her in the top of the box, in the lid. It's really not what to do. And a few of them were checking her out. Let's see if I see her. Let me sit this down for a second. No. Well, I was going to show you, but I don't see her. Maybe she went down into the box. There was a few of them checking her out, and nobody looked like they. I don't know what just happened there. Yeah, nobody was trying to sting her. They were kind of checking her out, and normally you should put a queen in contained in something so they have to get used to her and chew her out, but I don't really care about this queen either way, so I'll just throw her in there and see what happens. I don't even know if she's mated. I did put a dot on her so I can find her again if I look in there, but anyway, whatever. Okay, almost done. Oh, and it's starting to rain. I'm going to be super fast here. I'm just going to pull the green frame out and put it back. I'm not even going to look inside this honey super. Girls, this is going to take 2 seconds, okay? Well, maybe more than 2 seconds. You get grouchy, I'm going to get you a new queen. I don't like this one that you made. She's making you grouchy. I'm not even going to look in here. I'll probably regret that, but it is starting to rain, so we need to be done. Okay. Well, definitely had some surprises. Today. Overall, not as hot as I thought it was going to be because it's windy and cloudy. So even though there was a rain cloud. It's probably the best possible time for me to do this in the heat we've been having. So anyway, that's it. See you next time.